In today's video, I'll show you how to use Acuity Scheduling for a coaching business step by step. Whether you offer business coaching, life coaching, fitness coaching, or consulting sessions, Acuity can help you automate bookings and manage clients more efficiently. First, log in to your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. The first step is creating your coaching services. Open the Appointment Types section and create the sessions you want to offer. For example, you might create a free discovery call, a 60-minute coaching session, or a premium strategy session. Next, set the duration and pricing for each service. Make sure clients can clearly see what each session includes before they book. Now go to the Availability section and define your coaching hours. Choose the days and times when you're available to meet with clients. After that, set up intake forms. This allows clients to answer questions before the session, helping you understand their goals, challenges, and expectations in advance. If you offer paid coaching, open Payment Settings and connect a payment processor such as Stripe or PayPal. You can require full payment or collect a deposit when clients book. For online coaching sessions, connect a video conferencing platform like Zoom. This allows meeting links to be generated automatically whenever a booking is made. Next, customize your automated emails. Set up confirmation emails, reminder emails, and follow-up messages so clients stay informed throughout the process. If you sell coaching packages, use the Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions section to offer bundles of multiple sessions at a discounted rate. Once everything is configured, copy your booking link and share it on your website, social media profiles, email signature, or marketing campaigns. Before launching, test the entire booking process from start to finish. Make sure appointments, payments, reminders, and meeting links all work correctly. And that's it. You've successfully set up Acuity Scheduling for your coaching business and created a streamlined system for managing clients and appointments. And that's how you use Acuity Scheduling for a coaching business. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.